Children,
Yeah, so far, so good.
So good. Ooh,
yeah, so far
good.
they're not doing what they were supposed to do.
That's
so
good. Hey.
Bad for my forecast, good for you if you do have evening plans, because it doesn't look like we're going to see a ton of rain in the area. We will at least see a little bit, and then I'll show you what may happen over the next couple of hours, because this precipitation might be delayed, which is good news to prevent severe weather. 77 degrees, that's your current temperature at Tyler. The remainder of our numbers are in the 70s now, with the exception of Lufkin and Hemphill. Look how warm it is in deep East Texas. We do have some lower 80s there, and then for our central and northern counties, Tyler, Longview, Marshall pointing off to the north, all those numbers in the 70s. But everybody, and I mean everybody in East Texas, dealing with the higher humidity with those dew points in the 60s and 70s. Folks, that's just gross. Maybe you like the humidity, but in my opinion, I'm not much of a humidity person. Now let's go ahead and talk about what is happening out to our west, because they're getting a lot more action as far as those storms go than what we're seeing here in East Texas. The DFW area, dry so far, no imminent threat of severe weather. However, out to the west and to the northwest, that's where we have a tornado watch, a couple columns of counties there included in that tornado watch, along with the severe thunderstorm watch a little further to the south. That includes places like Graham, Jacksboro, and Haskell, Texas there. So we will have to watch these storms as they get further and further off to the east. But so far, so good for us. All we have seen is a little bit of light rain across Smith County and pointing off to the north. So we'll continue to monitor these light showers, but they should not be a detriment to really any evening plans, at least over the next hour or two. But remain weather aware, because the dry line, it might meander a little bit to the east, which would send a couple of storms into East Texas. But the severe weather watch is out for Abilene, San Angelo, and then where the more potent precipitation, where the dynamics are a little better, that's where you do have the tornado watch. Now, as I mentioned, if we do see storms coming in from the west, they will weaken as they get here, which is part of the reason why we're not in a level 2 slight risk or even a level 3 enhanced risk. We're just under a marginal risk here in East Texas. And here's what happens. We have not seen the storms form out to our west, so the storms are probably going to be weaker than what the model indicates. By 8, 9 o'clock, these showers and thunderstorms are moving through our central counties. By 10 or 11, they're out just like that. These are quick-moving complexes of showers and storms, which does mean if they do form, then they would have the threat of some gusty winds, maybe some pocket-change hail. But regardless, we're done with the rain by midnight. Dealing with other complexes of storms early tomorrow morning to our northeast, and this is where the weather pattern becomes unsettled, because we're not losing the warm temperatures. We are also not losing that humidity, so the air is still going to be unstable. We're just not going to see a lot of lift. So where we see the lift out to our west, that could send a few dying thunderstorms to our area, and that would increase our chances of rain. And as we look at Saturday, that's going to be no different than tonight, Friday, or later on in the week, where we do have that potential for a few showers and storms. So very unsettled weather pattern will set up. That begins tonight. We're down to 71 degrees, about a 30% chance of rain. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the middle to upper 80s, maybe even some lower 90s for parts of East Texas. But there are your next 7 days. Middle to upper 80s, as I mentioned. Some showers, some scattered showers and thunderstorms possible. And again, folks, it's going to be warm and humid. That's a given over the next several days. That does not mean it's going to rain at your house every single day over the next 7 days. So if you have those outdoor plans, still remain vigilant with weather forecasts, but I would not cancel them just because you have a 30% chance of rain on Monday if you live in deep East Texas. But again, warm, humid, unsettled with a few rain chances. Neil?
All right. Sports right now. West